Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A200 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So I'd like to start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the display. Now let's enter the night light, which is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. Let's tap on it and tap on one of those options. Always on. As you can see, unfortunately, we do not have any option to customize the intensity. We will have to have this effect. So this really amber screen. However, it is actually good and useful because it will filter the blue light much more precisely, let's say. So here you can either set it always on, so the manual option, or you can schedule it. Let's tap on this switcher at the top, and now you can freely choose the start and the end time just by swiping. And of course your device will apply the night light between the hours you've just set. So it's up to you. This is how it works. Unfortunately, we cannot customize it more. However, if you want to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully, and here we have to find the night light icon, which is right here. Simply tap on it to activate it, to apply it, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.